land it so quickly.
When are you going to miss it?
Where is he? Don't go out.
No, don't.
Whoa! Flipping hell. Whoa! Oh, this is good. Oh, these are good.
Oh no, you come back.
Back a bit.
Come back a bit.
Come
Hit the
inside,
houses.
Kim. Come inside. Just quick, because the wind's blowing. You can still see through the roof.
I gotta hit the house.
Come in. Come in.
No. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get the picture.
Oh, I'm getting into this. This is so dangerous.
No, it is. Bring them in.
It hit the house.
Wait, shut the door. Look up there. Look, boys, we can see them up here perfectly.
They look good, but they've been a bit tricky.
Yeah, the wind's blowing. They're too near. The wind's blowing.
Leave them for a bit.
Yeah, don't go.